Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to create and manage skills using the Skill Master. Let's get started. From the side navigation panel, click on the HR menu in your uKnowva HRMS instance. From the list of submenus, select the Master submenu. Under the Master section, click on the Skill Master list submenu. This will open a new page displaying all skills in a list format under the following headers: skill name, action, category, and published. To add a new skill, click on the Add button located above the list. This will open a pop-up window where you need to enter the required details. Start by entering the skill name, then provide a brief skill description explaining the skill. Next, select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu. After that, choose the type from the drop-down list as per your requirement. Finally, set the publish status accordingly. Once all the details are entered, click on the Save button to save the new skill, or click Cancel to discard the changes. That's it! You now know how to create and manage skills using the Skill Master list in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.